on our way to a little, it's literally named The Farm. And this gentleman started out rehabilitating injured farm animals and selling local honey and his eggs to help support the rehab part of it. So we're going to go there right now because I love their eggs. I'm going to go buy a couple dozen of those. They're expensive. However, number one, they're amazing. They remind me of growing up when we had chickens. And it's supporting the animal rehab, which I'm a sucker for an animal. So I'm super excited to go down there, and we're going to show you around and show you some of the animals. And we were going to go, we also have an orchard right by our home that every year at this time they would have hay rides and they sold apple cider donuts. I wouldn't eat those, but my son who's with me, he will. But they have all these, I mean, you could just buy bushels of apples. That would have been great. They're closed, and it's because of, you know, the pandemic. So I'm kind of bummed out about that. We might drive over there just to see what's going on. Just maybe they're open another time. It makes me sad to see these local businesses that have not been able to stay open because of this, because it's impacting our community on a local level, obviously, and then to see people lose their businesses. And this orchard's been here for years and years and years, so hopefully they're not closed forever. So we'll see you at the farm. All
right, we're filming.
Film that. Oh, look at the cage. Okay. Look at. Hi. Oh.
They still have pumpkins here.
Hello. How are you? Good. A little of both. Oh, see, he's got another cat under here. This is my son, and he's never been. We've lived here 9 years, and he's never been. I'm like, you have to come see this.
I got chicken footage.
And then I wanted eggs. I grew up on a farm myself, and I'm like, I want good eggs. So, what's that? Tucson. Well, south of Tucson, a border town.
Okay.
Yeah.
I grew up on a farm myself. I couldn't wait to get off of it.
And then it's funny how we end up wanting to come back, huh?
The only difference is I'm not milking cows 4:30 in the morning when it's
Yeah,
0 degrees.
that is one thing I'm happy to not have to do. Hi, Kitty. Oh, tomatoes. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh,
I like how they still have pumpkins in December.
I'm so excited. I'm gonna get some zucchini too. Because you know how many zoodles I eat. Okay, this makes me cry.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Oh.
Oh, it's very pretty. It's very strong.
Ooh, that's nice. That might be one. Okay, the cherry almond is the winner. Maybe let's try. Yeah, that cherry almond is nice. Okay. Let's look. Eggs is what I really wanted. Are you interested in?
Yeah.
Check this out.
Ooh, more baked
Yeah.
goods.
Look at, like, these are little pumpkin
Oh.
bread,
Oh, chocolate muffins.
chocolate muffins. They make sourdough. I can't have that.
Hey, it's Seymour. Get it because we call him a sourdough loaf.
I know, right?
This is Seymour. He is also a loaf of sourdough bread. Just look at him.
He's so cute. You want a chocolate muffin?
Yes, please. Thank you. Your cameraman appreciates it.
Yes, you're welcome. Okay. Oh, now I'm starving. Just as a whole cheesecake.
Oh my god. Reminds me of the cheesecake I had last night.
Yeah, that was pretty amazing. So this is jelly, I'm assuming.
We have both medium and large chicken eggs. We also have a few duck eggs left.
Oh, okay. God, I haven't had duck eggs since I was a kid. I need to.
What are duck eggs like?
Very rich and bigger.
Do they taste just like chicken eggs?
No,
Oh, wow.
I don't think they do. I think my dad always says he thought they did.
I heard that turkey
But
eggs.
yes, I would love one. Thank you.
I heard that turkey eggs taste pretty similar to chicken eggs.
What am I doing wrong here? I'm doing something wrong here.
No, you're not. It's a refrigerator that's holding both of us together.
No.
Yeah.
Thank you. You're welcome. I knew I was going to get overly excited when I got here, so thank you so much.
You're very welcome.
These look amazing. I mean,
Oh,
you know what? I
they
just
have a
want
mini cheesecake right there too. A couple of them.
You know, when I was a little kid, my mom would save these little tins, or like pot pie tins,
Yeah.
and she would make my sister and I our own cake, pies and cheesecakes and stuff. So we felt like we were special.
Yeah.
I definitely think we should get some local raw honey. It's good, like it helps you with allergies. Yeah. Let's get one of those. They have merch now. Hi, pumpkin. Oh, so that's what they do. Oh, look at this one.
I love how they're still selling pumpkins in December.
Look at that.
Maybe next year for Halloween I should come down here to buy a pumpkin.
Okay, I got excited. Excuse me, Mr. Rooster. We got two large. Yep.
Okay, so that's 12. 12 and 4 is 16. 6 more is 22. 10 more is 32. And your 3.5 pounds, that's 7. So 32 and 7 is 39.
Okay.
Y'all gonna use the cards with me and the info.
All right. That sounds good.
Your receipt.
Okay. No. I'll just put this in my purse so it's not with the food, but I think we're good.
All right, very good.
Thank you so much.
No, thank you. you so much. You're greatly appreciated.
No worries.
You ever shop at Smith's?
I haven't in a while, but what, do you guys have something going on with them?
Well, they
Oh.
help nonprofit organizations. So if you choose to participate, sign up for the program, and every time you shop there, you'd support our animals. Just don't do that.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I put $20 in your donation. Thank you.
Wonderful. Okay. Thank
I'm
you.
a sucker for the animals.
Alright.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And then see the white peacock in the back? The cat is not having. Oh, okay. There's a kitty sleeping over here on the blanket.
Got a lot of cats
It's
here.
interesting how they all just get along
Yeah.
and how they're not afraid. Hi, you're so pretty. Okay, Kane, we'll see you later. Hi, you're so pretty. Yes, you are. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Get more kitty footage.
You're so warm. Yeah. Well, look at the red-headed kitty. All right, you be safe. Don't get in the road. Don't get in the road, okay? You're handsome. Yes, you are.
I'm gonna hand you the eggs and the
Alright.
I was going to go back and check out the animals. So you have to get a hand stamp and stuff, which is fine. However, they're burning, they have a fire going to keep warm, and it started really affecting my throat. So I thought I should maybe not, you know, go into anaphylaxis or something. So that's why we did not. But we gave a little donation because they've done a lot of good work, and they take the animals that other rescues won't take. So we got local honey. I got 24 eggs. My son got a homemade muffin. We got some handmade soap. We bought some produce because I eat zoodles every day. I probably eat 3 to 4 zucchinis, whole zucchinis a day. So they had really big, nice zucchinis. And I probably eat an entire beefsteak tomato every day as well. So they had that. So that makes me feel good to support locally like that, and also because they're doing stuff for the animals. So we're gonna go over and just drive up the road where the orchard is and see if anybody's there. Very handy. The farm is right across from the orchard. So we're going to see if we can see what's up over there. Okay, you go. 4-way stops mess everyone up. You can see where all these orchards, they grow all different kinds of things. Well, I mean, apples is what they started out as. But this orchard goes back that way for a bit as well. And then you can see they've got a big sign here. They're showing. So hopefully, I don't know, I'm gonna be so sad if nobody's there. They've done so much nice stuff for the community, and you know, see, yeah, it's closed. So you can see, so that makes me really sad. Dang it. Well, let's see. Employees and delivery zone. Let's see if up here we can get some. It's a really cool thing. Yeah, they're not open. I know they're out there still farming, so that's good. I'm hoping that they can get money in, you know, income from that, because they generated a lot of income. They did hay rides. Obviously, I know with what's going on, they couldn't do hay rides. However, they did hay rides, and then, you know, they would, once you got off your hay ride, you could buy your apple cider and your donuts, and, you know, it was always very popular. So hopefully you can kind of see, here's the pumpkins out in the field. Can you see those?
No, I can't, not through the camera.
She rolled the window down.
There we go.
There's some pumpkins there. There's some out in the field. So, yeah, that makes me sad. But at least we got to go to the farm, and that was fun. So, all right, we'll see you guys next time. Thanks.